Austin, my name is Randy White and I'm your local Austin realtor. There is some hot news coming in from the FHFA on raising loan limits for prospective buyers in the year 2022. Let's dig in.
I'm going down to Austin, Texas. I'm going down to save my soul.
Since the pandemic began, many Americans out there are reevaluating the meaning of the word home. A lot of the renters out there are realizing that homeownership has many benefits to it, including feelings of security and stability. And how about those financial benefits of rising home equity? At the same time, current homeowners are realizing they need some more space, both inside and out, especially to accommodate the new remote work scene and having an office at home. However, not every purchaser out there has been able to fulfill their homeownership dreams because of two main obstacles that get in people's way. Number one, being able to save up for that hefty down payment. Hello. Number two, being able to qualify for a mortgage at the current lending standards. This past week, these two challenges have been mitigated to a certain point for many purchasers out there. The FHFA, which handles mortgages for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the Federal Housing Administration, have raised their loan limits for prospective purchasers in 2022. The term used to describe the maximum loan amount that they will entertain is called the conforming loan limit. So let's talk about the difference between a conforming loan and a non-conforming loan. Conforming loans are the only loans that meet the requirements to be acquired by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Jumbo loans, which exceed the conforming limit, are the most common type of non-conforming loan. What difference does it make to me as a home buyer to use a conforming loan? I'm so glad you asked. There is a really great article that Forbes put out earlier in the year that describes the benefits of using a conforming loan and why they exist in the first place. Since lenders can't sell non-conforming loans to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac to free up their cash, they're a bit riskier for the lender. This is especially true for jumbo loans, which aren't backed by any government guarantees. If you default on a jumbo loan, it's a huge blow to the lender. Thus, lenders generally charge higher interest rates to compensate, and they can have even more requirements. For example, lenders who give out jumbo loans often require that you make a down payment of at least 20% and show that you have at least 6 months' worth of cash in reserve, if not more. That is super interesting. So what happened exactly last week? Well, the FHFA significantly increased their loan limit on conforming loans. Sandra Thompson, the acting director of the FHFA, explains more in this press release. Compared to previous years, the 2022 conforming loan limits represent a significant increase due to the historic house price appreciation over the last year. While 95% of U.S. counties will be subject to the new baseline limit of $647,200, approximately 100 counties will have the conforming loan limits approaching $1 million. What this means is that more homes out there now qualify for a conforming loan, giving lower down payment options and easier lending standards. Those two challenges that we talked about that were holding a lot of buyers back this year. Now, a lot of other people are taking this headline and making videos and articles warning people about over-leveraging themselves. Totally true. Before you take this information and run off to the bank with the newfound discovery that you can borrow more money than ever, make sure you do proper due diligence on yourself. Talk to a good lender and don't borrow more than you can really afford. All right, guys, that's it for me today. My name is Randy White. I'm your local Austin realtor. Do me a favor and hit subscribe to my channel so you get notified each week when I upload a new video, whether it be about Austin or about the real estate market. It's a total pleasure doing these videos for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I'm going down to Austin, Texas. I'm going down to save my soul.